All right, good morning to you, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. So, I want to say something based on what is going on. We have seen DOS and their group that they gathered together in the past to attack PM Simon Ekpa. And the moment they succeeded in keeping PM away, they started fighting each other, which is okay because the evil that men do live with them. Some said live after them. I believe he's not living with them. This is not about them alone because even now, some people are not creating their own group, forming different group, belonging to party A, party B. Some have even tested more than 3 groups, and they are still looking for more to join. Please, this video is not gonna please some people, but I have to say the way I feel. At some point, most of these people gather together to support freedom. At some point, they agree that freedom is the only way. But the thing is that, what are you doing? What are they actually doing to sustain that freedom they want to do, they are looking for? What do they actually think when they decide to move away from the templates? PM Simon Ekpa, after the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, did all he could to bring Biafrans together, to make sure that everything worked in the way it's supposed to be. He tried his best to give a roadmap to the freedom. People from different corner joined. People from different corner, was happy with that. Then the moment PM is not here, everybody begin to run helter-skelter. It's not as if we don't know how the whole thing started. When Ogen Kiranema Madabo started this division in Brigi, after the arrest of PM, the template that PM led was followed by DPM Dr. Abeza. Many of them that are not with USB government now, they understood the reason why, they know the reason why DPM declared Biafra. They don't have any issue with it. Listen very carefully. They don't have any issue with that, like many of us don't have any issue with that. Even at some point, Imam Madabo, Bryce Nokoma, Chomo Koma, Rubin Nade, Mazi Akwa, Sona Parawa, Ogengre himself, all of them from A to Z, at some point, they agree, they were in line with Biafran declared. What made them to deviate from that and that they know that is the right thing to do? Personal interest, selfishness. Reason why we talk the way we talk is simply because there's no other way to present it. There's no other way we can romance it and you can press it and press out something. Not that is the only way. Some of them don't like it. Some instead of them to, because typically Igbo man, when people criticize you, instead of you to come back and make your way, you choose to even commit more crime to prove that the first crime is valid. You committed something that people are talking about, people are not happy with it. Instead of you to make U-turn, see how you can figure things out and understand the situation and the time we are in. You don't want to do it. You choose to commit more crime, thinking that will validate that will make the first crime that you committed to look more, to start looking good. Like in your own mind, you think that is the best thing you can do to give reasons why you must do what you are doing. You see, you cannot lie to nature. You cannot deceive nature. If you like, use all the voodoo in this world, it will still expose. Huge. Now, let me tell you, Mazen Namadekano, when he was here, as far back as 2020/2021, there was no other group. Remember, there was no other group like that is very, very vibrant apart from IPOB. The moment Mazen Khan was kidnapped, DOS wanted to become more Mazen Khan than Mazen Khan himself. Why? Because they refused to even look for the Biafra we are talking about. They started going back to underground. All right? That is the reason why they started disobeying Mazen Namadekano. PM noticed the agenda and the intention of these people and pulled away. And they have proved PM decision. They have proved it right. How do they do that? By making sure they're not introducing anything new or any headway to get the freedom, because the primary purpose of IPOB creation is to get Biafra. The moment you refuse, no matter what you're doing, as long as you're not getting that Biafra, which is the primary purpose, the primary assignment, the intention of the IPOB in the first place, is not to gather, it's not social gathering. It is to get freedom. The moment you refuse to buy into this idea, the purpose by which IPOB was formed, you have jeopardized it. Automatically, it simply means whatever you are doing is just like what PM said, you are just making noise. PM moved away. That is why PM gathered momentum, and in space of 3 years, achieved what DOS have not even dreamed of, even as of now. So, as we speak, they have splitted again, which is good because the group is, they are not doing anything anymore. In Mazen Khan's absence, everything is just dormant. They were just living by Mazen Khan's glory, that's all. And that is not sustainable. That's why everything is done exposing and, they are discussing themselves. Mazen Khan have noticed that they are not giving anything, and he has distanced himself away from them. Do you know why Mazen Khan did that? I believe Mazen Khan must have asked himself, someone in PM that moved away have achieved something reasonable and tangible than them. Even in Mazen Khan's absence, Biafrans following the template Mazen Khan PM led have even gathered the courage to declare Biafra, and they're maintaining it, they're working towards it. What is my DOS doing? Do you understand? Because the man understands the assignment. He knew what he wanted. That's why he formed the IPOB in first place. There's nothing more. That is the reason. If you don't follow the template of the leader, then that means you claiming to be his follower. You are lying not only to yourself, but to the general public. I am not against anybody forming their group. I said it before. What I'm against is that your group is doing. If you ask me to give you advice, the advice I have for you, everybody, is to ask yourself a simple question. Before you start joining any group, what is your intention? What do you intend to achieve with that? Are you here to drag position or to police how money is being spent and everything? I'm not saying you should follow sheepishly. At least to some extent, know that you are not in position of some certain things. Allow those in position to show that leadership style. Allow you to move on to some extent before you come and begin to, hyper vibrating. You need to give that kind of chance to understand what is going on before you start vibrating like you know everything. Without you, nothing will move forward. It's not, to me, is a way of distracting people, and it's not good at all. Now, in PM's absence, template that he led was followed, and some are not happy with it because of the people in charge of that template. Instead of them to understand that this is just a temporary issue, PM is coming out, whether you like it or not, he's coming out. He's not gonna die there. You know that. He's coming out. So for this short period of time, whether 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 7 years, is still short as long as freedom movement is concerned. What you should have done is do your best, so that by the time you will be giving your report will now show that truly you mean something good. Calmness, humility, humbleness is what is required of you. It doesn't matter who is leading, but because you are so eager to put your voice out there, you move away and started looking for a comfort zone where you will not lead and all that. But what you forgot to understand is this: you don't remember that even in this your gathering, the one you have created, some people also want to overthrow you to continue from where you to take that your seat. How can you not manage it when that time comes? Look at what happened. That's why I said, for those of us who are not in any leadership or trying to be what we are not, our own is we are just followers. We are just listeners. We are just admirers. You are just lover of freedom. You are not pushing to lead or control anything. You are just speaking the truth and clearly air in some certain issue. I want you to begin to learn something from this, because it's going to help you also to live your own life in a decent way. First and first, forming group here and there is demonic, because that thing that pushes you to get where you started searching for comfort zone in that your own group, other people will be searching for comfort zone as well. To stop it, you have to lead by example. Understand that it's not about you. You have been living life before this, so why must you drag yourself to expose yourself to disgrace yourself? Give that chance. There's something you don't know about freedom movement. You cannot learn it all. Anybody that is not open to learn that just in search of freedom, you are actually not for freedom. You are just a distractor. PM adjusted multiple times. PM himself. He don't need to come out and say, hello guys, I've adjusted. No. Mass communication is the same. That is what you know about leaders. DPM the same. I know some of you say, no, she's so rigid, she's so authoritative, she's Madam Bao. Listen. Adjustment is not way to adjust to your stupidity. I'm talking about adjustment that has something to do with what you are actually doing. Bringing you the light to see through what you are doing. Bringing you the wisdom to know what you need to do. Bringing you that right track to move forward to get what you're supposed to get. The moment you begin to fail on those things, you are in for a long journey. You have to have that willingness to adjust at any time that is needed. Not to adjust to sabotage to self, not adjust to go backward. That's not the adjustment I'm talking about. PM realized that paying more attention to some certain to sabotage and distractors is not good. He would have just allowed people to, attack anyone to prove a point, or attack people in order to defend me. He don't do that. Especially in Ghana. Any internal conflict, once he spotted it, he will deal with it and squash it instantly. We knew many times people raise an issue. What did PM do? He adjusted by making sure I give it to other people to handle. That's what information. That's the way he created CRC. PM did not expect CRC to be CRC that they are parading today. CRC is to solve internal problem. That's the kind of adjustment I'm talking about. PM also realized that Biafrans also need to understand what he's doing. He did not go and start having cabal, internal cabal, insider, inner caucus, people that will be having meeting without letting Biafrans to see what is going on. And the way he talked to people publicly is the same way he talked to people privately. You have seen some clips of cabinet meeting, executive meeting that surfaced on social media simply because DPM have to do that. She brought out some of these clips. And when you pay attention to the PMs, how he officiated the meetings, you can see that it's the same PM that officiated meeting in that leadership style publicly. The same thing, nothing has changed. But what are we witnessing now? People who don't even know the template that PM is talking about, people who claim to be with him, but they have a ulterior motive since day one. But because of PM, they could not strive. They are not the one pushing. They are not the one forming a different groups. What is this your group going to give you? Now, in case you don't know, apart from IPOB, DOS, and DOS Part 1 and Part 2 now, we now have a movement that started from autopilot, metaphors to Briggy and USB now. In space of this free journey, we have splitted to Ogekere group, which is called Fallback Republic. We have another one who say they are now they have fall back to autopilot. That is where Adadorama, Remedios and Biafra Unite and some few individuals. That's where they are. We have another group, Imam Madab, and their group now. We also have another group, okay, that Dr. Agi just announced on her social media handle. Okay, that one is called a PUC. Okay, PUC, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa's, what do they call themselves? I forgot the full name. PUC, that is Dr. Agi Ugotu and Jew Survivor. These are people that I know in that group as we speak. Of course, maybe, I don't know, the one they call the Homeland Media, Ifai. I don't know if that is Ifai is different from Ifai that is with Mazakwa. Okay, so this group PUC is a new one, and they have also started asking for donation. Am I against it? No, I'm not. You know why? The reason why I'm not is because everybody have right to form their own group. Like I told you, they have the right. But is it the right thing to do? That I'm not against it does not mean that it's a good thing to do. I am not against it because it is your human right. You are exercising your human rights. Freedom of association. That's what it is. So you cannot be asking for freedom and attacking other people's freedom. If you like, create more group. But guess what? In that group, you are going to split up as well. You are going to split into two. Some of them in CRC are willing to form another group now as we speak. Oh, I did not even mention all the group. There's another group. There's another group called what is their name? Do they even have a name? A group of former defense secretary. What's the name of this our brother? Philip. No, not Philip. Philip is Oyami. I'm talking about Oyami and the other man. What is the name of this man? I forgot. He's a very good friend, very nice man. But you cannot form a group like that. Is a no. But if you want to form, if you must form, it's entirely your business. But that your group you are forming, what is it going to do to the movement? It's going to reduce. You are distracting the template that PM led. And then your group, this formation, this thing you guys are doing is actually holding PM down, holding Master Namakan down. You see, one thing about being in a prison or in detention is this. There are physical aspect of it, like restricting your movement, okay, and mental torture that comes with it. You guys are torturing these two leaders mentally with your sabotage, because creating this group is a way of sabotaging the original plan. You don't even know that you are sabotaging. Like PM said, that some of you are already in Kaba without knowing that you are in Kaba. That's exactly what most of you are doing. That is exactly what most of you are doing. You are jumping from pillar to pole. And none of you believe that you have freedom. How can you get that freedom by splitting into heaven knows how many groups? And all of them are weak. Very, very weak. You are weakening USB government, the template original structure. Even though you don't like the PM, for the sake of PM himself, you don't need to do what you are doing. Some of you, I heard some of you saying, oh, she don't want the PM to be released. You need to, and some of you you have children. Imagine when your son or your daughter begin to lie the way you are lying. Imagine how will you feel? Because some of you are filled with the spirit of lie. You lie, you jeopardize. You can lie, you grown-up men and women. Some of you already in your old age. You are now in your puberty age. Some of you are in puberty age. Some of you already in your some of you have crossed the menopause. Because I've seen some young people, very, very young people on social media that are also jumping, like most of them, they don't show their face, but they are very young. Some of you are very young to do what I did. Some of you already grandpa, grandma, yet you are behaving like somebody who is not with your senses. When Master cried out and said that when discipline is the key, that our people lack discipline, black people. Somebody say that you don't know how to clean, you are not clean up, you don't know how to bath yourself, that you have body odor. And the best way to prove to that person that you don't have body odor is for you to stop taking baths. Imagine that. You have just validated what he said. It's a challenge, actually, that you don't know, you guys are not disciplined enough. And what are you doing? You must have issue with some people. That you can't take it away. But when you have issue, how do you handle it? You handle it by creating groups. Okay, remember that Solomon Nkwocha. Who again? Biafra Unite and Adadora and then USB. In space of 1 year plus, 5 different groups. What a shame. It's an insult to PM. You guys are insulting PM. How will you know the original group to follow? Which of these groups did PM mention about? Which of these groups did PM map out a date to form it? Which of these groups did PM form? Which of these groups did PM organize self-referendum for? Which of these groups or these groups did the PM have ID card or any template that have mentioned for? Which of them did the brigade funded to make sure that the group moved to another thing? All of them brigade. Some even attach USB and all that. It doesn't matter. That money that they want, they hired you to be, let's say, to be a treasurer, or let's say, I don't want to say finance minister. I don't want to say all this group. I just want to, let's say they hired you to print a card, to supervise flyers. They want to be the one to go and take care of producing flyers for any function at all in the government. They just hired you, give you one assignment like that. You will now move from that assignment they gave to you, focus on how money is being spent in the organization. You see, you are not sincere to yourself. You are not. Learn how to maintain your lane. Learn how to be, and the moment you want to create your group or form your own group, you will start lying, committing crime in the name of talking. You start lying, committing all manner of crimes. That in the name of I'm talking, a whole me. We are saying this, we are saying that. You are committing crime, my people. Starting from Ogikere down to Biafra Unite. All of you are lying to yourself and deceiving people. When we talk, you say we hate you. Oh, don't call my name. Oh, but you are the one exposing and disgracing yourself. You don't need to love DPM or anybody in USB for the sake of PM whom you claim you love. Because that's why I don't believe that all of you actually love PM. I don't. You don't like him. You guys are. Some of you join PM because you want to stay somewhere while waiting for Master American to come out. We know all those things, including the men on ground. None of them like him. I'm not going to continue this. Please make sure you like it. Let me know what you think about it. I just feel, because I saw some people sharing a new account and talking about this and that. We need to understand that. Anyway, today is Saturday, right? Please, if you make your donation, let me know. Let me even share this with us. Just a moment. All right, so I just want to quickly share this with us. For those of you that are asking account how to donate to USB government, this is the account that I got from our sister Adasa Monekpa. So this account is where you can send your donation. Okay, for USB donation, Bank of America account number is this, routine number and wires number Zil. I think this, I don't know what it is. It's Zile. I don't know what it is for the Americans. I don't know. This is number. Maybe it's one of these. And this is the website. You go to the website, you can also make your donation, and you have to make sure you get it done. This is for people in homeland. So please, I'm gonna go back so you can take a screenshot. All right. If you are in homeland or in diaspora and you want to make payment, homeland account and all that, this is it. Okay, so this look at it, take a screenshot of this. Once you donate here or using the website, you can take screenshot of this one now. Okay, let me allow it for you to take a screenshot. Then you can also take a screenshot of this one again in case you did not capture it, when I mentioned it first time. Now, after this, for example, all you need to do, once you donate anything, then the receipt, you send it to her. If you don't have her number, you can send it to my number. Then, excuse me, I will not forward it to her. But if you send it to her, don't send it to any other person, so that you're not going to conflict the report. So that is what I have to share with you. And the choice is yours, based on what I said. If you want to follow people that is against the template and what PM actually, discussed, what PM wants, is entirely your business. It is entirely your business. You need to understand that you are not doing you are not doing him a favor. You are not doing him a favor at all. You are actually against him, which is very, very bad. Please let me know what you think about all we discussed so far. And make sure you like the video and share it to many groups of your choice. Your comment is highly needed. I want to know what you think about all we discussed so far. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.